here in Venice. What a city! But there is another city in China which is almost 1,000 years older than Venice, just like this. When the Western people call that the Venice of the East, the Chinese said no, this is Zhongzhou, what? I can't pronounce the name of the West because that happened much earlier than this one. But here we are in the beautiful city of Venice in Italy. And we are now going on a boat to speak at a university. This is it, that fast-paced, safe soil. Hey, what happened? It stopped.